I take you to all the nice spots, huh? Just how there are higher vibrational locations scattered all around the planet. The 144,000 Lightworkers, the warriors of the rainbow, are strategically scattered all over this planet. This is done by design, as our human energy fields are restoring the grid of Gaia. Hello everyone, I am Michael and I help guide people on the evolutionary journey. Nice out here, huh? Sometimes we find ourselves at higher vibrational locations that are scattered all around the planet. And not every location has a high vibration. Every area is different. And that also represents the rainbow warriors of the Hopi prophecy. The 144,000. We are all strategically scattered all around the planet, and this has been done by design. So just as a location can give off a vibration, so can people. And this strategic placement is done by design as we go through this time period, the global reset. And these beings will have a higher vibration than their surroundings. And we are scattered to restore the grid. Now, everything is vibrational, and we tend to connect with those of a similar vibration. And for many of the light workers, the light warriors, the indigos, the 144,000, this journey up to now can be a little lonely, because you need to find people that are going to match your vibration. So when we are all scattered, just saw a light warrior running by. See? We are all strategically scattered all around this planet for this moment in time. And now is the time to shine brightly, not the time to crumple up. Because all of our brothers and sisters are counting on us for this moment in time. Dolores Cannon spoke about the waves of volunteers, and that represents all of us. We're different colors, classes, and creeds, and we're all different ages. We came in to this planet in different waves, and now we're all scattered. And this strategic placement helps us to restore the grid. And if you want to be reunited with your soul family, if you want to experience the life that you deserve, it's time for the matrix to collapse. Just like there are different areas all around the planet, they all have different energy signatures. I take you everywhere, right, Light Warriors? And all these places, they have a different energy signature. Maybe this one resonates with you, right? But they could all be higher vibrational, but they're different. And that also represents us. There is no right or wrong. We all have a unique energy signature, just like these beautiful locations all around the planet. Unique. The Rainbow Warriors represent the different energetic colors. Many of you are familiar with the chakras. Everything in this universe is connected. So just how different locations have a different energy, people will have a different energy. We're all unique, and we're all strategically scattered. So hopefully one day we'll all get to meet up. But we're here to strategically collapse the matrix. And just like all of these different locations, we all have our different energy signatures. And they're all powerful. They're just unique. There is no right or wrong. Each and every one of you is perfect just the way you are. And you are the light. We all are. And that's been hidden from all of us. Our DNA emits photons. And 93% of the function of DNA is light and sound reception and transmission. So it's time to get back into nature. And it's time to understand a little bit more about our DNA and thinking in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. And then we could unlock the keys to the universe. In order to do this, we need to tap into the vibration of authenticity. Light is information. Darkness is the absence of information. Picture if we were out here and it was pitch black, right? You start bumping into things. You don't have the correct information that you need, the data. The light is the information. And we all hold this divine information in our DNA. Each one of us holds it in our DNA. And it is light and sound reception and transmission. And today, as we're at this beautiful location, we understand how the authentic Lightworkers of the world, the Rainbow Warriors of the Hopi prophecy, are restoring the grid. If you find this message interesting and you would like to learn more about our reality in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration, why don't you click subscribe, give the video a like so it becomes visible to more people. And please share with one other person Because if we all share with one other person, we will rapidly grow our 5D community. This is all ours. But free will is the law of the universe. So the people need to take the planet back. We're supposed to be the smartest animals, right? We're the only animals that pay to live on this planet, huh? Something ain't right. And many of you know this. You are the ancient ones. You are the old souls. You are the indigos. You are the lightworkers, the light warriors. We're all here now, and we're strategically placed around the planet for the energy that is broadcasted from within. Harmonize your frequency to source frequency, and then, light warrior, you will become the person that you came here to be. Remember, we cannot control what is around us. However, we can control from within. Be conscious that all of the light workers of the world are scattered around this planet strategically. Use this to raise your vibration and increase your electromagnetism. Life is so much better when we are all together. If you find this message inspiring or know someone that could benefit from it, please share this message. Dear ones, I am Michael. We are the 144,000 warriors of the rainbow. It is time to take back our everyday lives. So just doing this experience and seeing someone jog by and overhearing me and raise her hand, hearing my words, is the sign of the universe that this is happening. Find your authentic brothers and sisters now. We live in a world with fake food, fake medicine, fake people, fake news, and fake clouds. And it's time for the authentic ones to rise. I am the defender of our everyday lives. Victory of the light. We're all out there. We're going from dark to light. This is the age of authenticity. Everything fake will expose itself in the light.